inspiration through passion and perseverance. And to make this even more special, we have privileged to have someone who embodies both. Our esteemed guest for today, Dr. Ashwin Deshmukh sir. Let me tell you a little more about Dr. Ashwin Deshmukh sir. A highly accomplished professor of orthopedic surgery, Dr. Deshmukh was known not only for his profound knowledge and skills in orthopedics, but also for his enthusiasm and dedication to his field. His ability to simplify complex concepts for the student has made him a beloved mentor. Outside the operating theatre and lecture hall, he is a man of remarkable talent. Did you know he is an amazing cricketer? Whether it's a bowler, batsman, or strategist, his love for cricket mirrored his approach to life, that is, precision, teamwork, and drive to excel. We are thrilled to have him here to share his journey, his love for medicine, his passion for cricket, and how he balances these two dynamic facets of his life. I would like to encourage everyone here to engage actively during this session, ask questions, share your thoughts, and make one of the best unique opportunity. College Katta is all about interaction and shared experiences. So without further ado, let's dive into today's College Katta with our guest, Dr. Ashwin Deshmukh sir. Please join me and give him a big round of applause. Mr. Ashwin Deshmukh sir.
What about that? Steve? You think best? Thanks for a cemetery.
Now I would like to request both the dignitaries to please be on.
No, but
So now we are open for the question answer session. Whatever question do you have, you can clearly and very freely ask to the dignitaries. They are very open to answer your questions.
you know, I was
Sir, first question तो मैं ही पूछ लेता हूँ आपसे. Sir, you are a very well-known orthopedic surgeon. आप उसी के साथ साथ एक बहुत अच्छे क्रिकेटर भी हो. हर साल जब भी क्रिकेट का मैच होता है तो आपके टीम को हराना सबके लिए थोड़ा डिफिकल्ट हो जाता है. So आप अपने इतने बिजी स्केड्यूल में टाइम कैसे निकाल पाते हो कि आप मैच देख भी लो, आप सर्जरी कर भी लो और मैच खेल भी लो?
Now, probably you asked this. This is what my daughter also asked me. Usually, cricket practices are early morning or either in the late night. But the thing is, like, if you just keep operating, if you just work, and if you don't have a passion, then I think it's not a balanced life. You have to get into you have to keep living your life. Passion will keep you alive. And rahi baat if it is like about adjustments of your lifestyle, maybe it's very easy. It's just your love for driving source hota hai apna. And fortunately, I'm into sports injuries. So the more I'm into sports, more I understand the injuries, the injury patterns. And those patients, they actually inspire me. The zeal, the enthusiasm for the patients to get back to sports and the pre-injury status, that is what is really amazing. So imagine somebody like 130 kilos, he's just 20 years old, he's a wrestler, and he's eager to get back to sports. Why? It's that zeal hota hai, you have to have it. So that you just keep doing. All work, no play, there's no point. Keep playing.
Thank you, sir. Any questions from you guys? Okay, please stand up and ask the question.
Hello, so good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Were there any specific experiences in your school life from which you made your decision to become a doctor, which influenced you to become a doctor?
I wanted to be a veterinary doctor.
Oh.
I wanted to be a vet because I love animals and my parents used to be scared of that. So they used to be like, "Bhai, to doctor banna hai, wo insaan ho." And somehow I was like very much for that. Then I was into bio. Then my elder sister, first she got into medical. So then slowly, fortunately, from those veterinary videos and some animal diet, then I started reading her books. That was I'll say that was a driving force. I don't have any medicals in my family. Yes, I have a vet in my family. Very practices in rural areas, but yes, a doctor.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
In medical college, what challenges did you face and how did you gotta get to overcome them.
Alright. So this is what I was expecting, and this is what everyone should do. I have seen. So see, in the medical college, firstly, out of this entire population, how many of you are from outside state, non? So like quite a lot, right? So first thing is going to be food, language. Everything that is related to this region is going to be difficult. But it is different, it is not difficult. You just have to get used to it. So आपको जितने जल्दी, and for me it was not that difficult because one is I talk too much, and if I am in doubt, I will make sure everybody has to have doubt. If I am in trouble, I'll make sure everybody is in trouble. So then I got to know कि जो मेरा problem था, I keep meeting others, be like, how are you coping up? But of course, language is a big problem, especially in residency, what we had. So students, they come from outside states, some from South India. So they are like absolutely no for Marathi. And यहाँ पे there is quite a lot of dominance for Marathi language. So language is one. 42nd, whether I think this is good enough, not to extremes, not hot, not too cold. So that is it. And of course, and academically, I'll say I come from a state board. So for me that was very difficult. Like coming from state board, and of course NEET, we didn't have NEET, we had MSCT. MSCT so ho gaya, chalo theek hai, that was fine. But then getting into this curriculum, this syllabus is, for us it was difficult. I'd say. But right now I feel most of them are CBSE, ICSE and IGCSE, right? So IBs, I doubt if anybody is from IB, because IBs they don't get into it. Very few, yeah, right. So why did you, if you are IB, so what was your driving force for medical?
I just wanted to do it in India.
Alright, nice, nice.
That
Because,
was
because IB usually, nowadays it's a trend, like parents, they want their kids to get into IB and send them out. Don't keep them. So that is one academic, I'll say, thoda curriculum lagega, but it's okay, you got a lot of time.
Sorry for the interruption, sir. Ma'am, one question for you from my side.
Add to this also actually. To how he asked his question was how did you overcome? So I would also like you to know that you have to keep a little open mind. Like I'll tell you my example. When I joined AFMC, I am from North, okay, Bajpayee, Lucknow. I had my room partner, she was Pramila Menon. Sorry, Parvati Menon, my mistake, I'm talking about my guide, Parvati Menon. And she was from, I think, Karnataka. She was a 180-degree opposite to me. I used to get up at 8 in the morning, go for college, come back and then study and then sleep off. She would get up at 6 in the morning and then she would study. So she used to say, जब तुम पढ़ती हो मैं नहीं पढ़ सकती और जब तुम कमरे में हो मैं नहीं काम कर सकती. So we had decided कि okay, you study in the daytime, I'll study at night time. I didn't like her, she didn't like me, but we adjusted to each other. So adjustment is very important. Please learn to tolerate your friends. They will be from different places, attitudes will be different. It doesn't mean that you have to change your room or you have to change your partner. You don't have to. You find a way to coexist with each other peacefully. So I think that is the mantra to managing life and managing life in the hostel. And eventually we have become friends, and she has one fine day woken me up at 6 in the morning ki chalo, we'll go and see some butterflies somewhere. God knows where, but butterflies are, I don't even remember now. But yeah, she felt that she was close enough to me to wake me up and take me to share some pleasure that she had. So it's a question of, a lot of question is being patient with each other and learning to adjust with each other. Things will get sorted out.
Ma'am, one more
Your
question. Ma'am, the question is कि आज के डेट में ना हम लोगों को फेलियर लेना उतने अच्छे से आता नहीं है.
Yes, yes.
और बात यह है कि आप फर्स्ट ईयर से हम लोगों को देख रहे हो,
Yes.
including Gulshan sir,
Yes,
me,
yes.
Aprajita and all these guys now.
And I love it. I'm so proud of you all.
So, मैम हम लोगों ने भी जब फर्स्ट ईयर में आए थे, everyone was very scared कि सिलेबस इतना बड़ा है, कैसे कवर करते हैं, बुक्स कैसे है, और आधे लोग फर्स्ट इंटरनल्स के टेंशन में, मार्क्स कमाने के टेंशन में, डिप्रेशन में चले जाते हैं, मेंटल इश्यूज के शिकार हो जाते हैं,
Yes.
और बहुत स्ट्रेस लेने लग जाते हैं. जैसे मैंने अभी पीछे देखा कि बच्चे यहाँ पे भी अपने नोट्स लेके बैठे हुए थे और एपिफाइसिस ऑफ बोन पढ़ रहे हैं. So, आप उनको कैसे गाइड करना चाहोगे कि वो इन चीजों पे ध्यान कम दे, स्ट्रेस कम ले, बट पढ़ाई उसके साथ साथ चल रही है?
Yes, yes. Marks is not everything, and passing the exam is not everything. You have come here to become a doctor. Acquiring knowledge is very important. So please first make sure that you know your subject. See, our eventual goal is to face the patient, as I said, and it has to be modified according to what you are going to do. Like he said, he's more interested in sports. So same way, right now you are in a time where you need to first know what your subject is. So take pleasure in learning the intricacies of the subject. Read it, listen to, go to the classes, whatever. Make notes or don't make notes, that's up to you. But first acquire the knowledge. Don't just get into the rat race of मुझे exam pass करना है, मुझे top करना है. Leave it. Just leave that. If you just leave that, half the stress goes. And then studying the subject becomes enjoyable. You will find what you like then. In first year also, like I had that thing, no, I don't like biochemistry. But then I realized it's not that bad. You go attend the class, listen to what they are telling, and then you suddenly realize, oh, it's so interesting. They're telling about those cycles and those molecules, etc., etc. So try to find something interesting in the subject, read the subject, listen to it, enjoy it. Don't get stressed about marks all the time. And don't try to keep, I have to pass. It's okay. मेरे खुद के हस्बैंड फेल हो चुके हैं, मेरे ही बैचमेट थे, फेल हो गए. डजंट मैटर, अभी क्या, शादी तो हो गई, हमारे बच्चे भी हो गए, वी आर ऑल डॉक्टर्स, वी आर ahead. So failure is nothing bad. Failure doesn't pull you down. Failure will tell you how to become better than what you were before. So please don't take it like इतना stress लेने की कोई जरूरत नहीं है. You are young, enjoy life. Okay? As sir said, have a hobby. Sports बहुत important है. Go for some game, do some hobby, music, dance, जो भी करना है आपको. 6 days a week पढ़ाई करो, 7 days only enjoy. Okay? Please do not stress at all. This is life, enjoy it. So make it the reading also enjoyable. Don't make it a drudgery कि oh वो पढ़ना है. ऐसा नहीं है. पढ़ना है, ठीक है, करना है. So just do it like that. Okay? There's nothing. Stress को हटा दो. There's nothing like stress. We are all here to help you.
So,
Just a moment. So like everybody knows who's Sachin Tendulkar. Everybody knows who's Vinod Kambli. Right? So more talented was Kambli, not Sachin. But his failure to get back to normalcy was very poor. So मतलब उसका ना confidence कम था. So Harsha Bhogle had quoted this in IIM. I think it was a pep talk about how to deal with stress. So there he had said कि Kambli and Tendulkar. Kambli was more talented, but Sachin's attitude was good. So he was not very talented, but he had a very good attitude to come back. So when Kambli faced those pacers, he had a setback. He could never come back into the cricket. And when Sachin, when in his first innings, when he started having all those Pakistani bowlers, so he was so stressed, so he had to come back. And even they say in Australian elite forces, while they interview, they ask whether have you failed or ever or not. If you have never failed, they don't select you. Because they say if you have never failed, then you don't know how to come back. How will you come back? So, and failing is not something. I failed in all 3. I had thought like I might just fail in biochemistry. As ma'am said, because that is one subject somehow. But fine, हो जाता है. But I was okay. एक subject चलेगा. But then it was okay. But doesn't make a difference. Today I am very good at my subjects. All the 3 subjects. So it's all about your attitude and nothing else. And it's your expectations. बाजू वाला क्या बोले? Peer pressure नहीं होगा. Peer pressure लेना ही नहीं. आगे जाके डॉक्टर बनोगे, बाजू वाली प्रैक्टिस में से ज़्यादा कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा. तुम्हारे नसीब में जो है वो हुआ. So even if the marks are like a bit less, it doesn't make a difference. And stressing out तो ये there's no need of that because unfortunately you got very good faculties. So every department, every year you will find faculties who are like straight away you can go and approach every year. And somehow this mentor-mentee thing which started off there I think since maybe 8-10 years. That is very good. So at least ice breaking हो जाता है. You start opening up and start being gradually. You can ask कोई problem नहीं है. हमारे टाइम थोड़ा प्रॉब्लम था, मोबाइल नहीं थे, कांटेक्ट कैसे करें, पास में चले गए कार्ड. बट अभी है टाइम पे करो तो यू कैन कांटेक्ट, यू कैन कीप आस्किंग, थोड़ा ओपन अप हो जाओ. जितना शेल में जाओगे ना उतना दिक्कत है. इवन व्हाइल ऑपरेटिंग ऑन टेबल भी अगर शेल में जितना जाओगे दिक्कत just bounce. Nothing to stress out.
Okay, so before your questions, there's a game called Gen Z Decoder,
इसमें हम लोग ऐसे कुछ आपको टर्म्स बोलेंगे जिसका आंसर सर और मैम दोनों को देना है और लेट्स सी कि आप दोनों में से कौन कितने ज्यादा सही जवाब देता है और अगर आप वो बताने से
All be on this camera.
Yeah, that's right. Maybe I have to take this. I'm little older than you, so I'm like,
आपको ज़्यादा मिल रहा है, आपको मैडम भी यार. I don't test people, but the next 5 years.
ओके सो चिल्लाना नहीं है अगर आपके टीम मेंबर्स जो थोड़े पुअर हैं इन चीजों में अगर उनको हेल्प लगती है तो आप लोगों को हेल्प करना है ठीक है सो द फर्स्ट टर्म इज फैम FAM
family.
या करेक्ट
अब मुझे लगा कुछ और होगा.
ओके गुड GOAT
Latest of all time.
नाइस घोस्टिंग घोस्टिंग का मतलब ये था स्टॉप टॉकिंग टू समवन विदाउट एनी नोटिस ओके नेक्स्ट ड्रिप It's a cool sense of style. It means drip. Okay. So next, I guess ये आपको पता होगा.
It's about the syllabus.
Okay. Tea.
Chai.
Time out.
Tea, this one.
ये वाला ना?
Chai और कुछ नहीं.
Sir, one more thing. Ma'am, lit. LIT. Lit.
Date का भी भारी है. भाई आग लगा.
Okay, I guess ये आपको पता होगा. TBH.
To be honest.
Okay. IYK.
You know.
Okay, sir. Yes. If you know, you know. Yeah.
I don't.
Okay, so I guess दोनों ही टीम इक्वली जीते हैं. पल्लवी मैम को अभी अगर आप BTS से रिलेटेड कोई क्वेश्चन पूछना चाहते हो तो वो पहले पूछ लो बिकॉज मैम बहुत ज्यादा BTS देखते हैं. Okay. Okay, so next questions, guys. Yeah. तुम्हें क्वेश्चन पूछना था राइट? या
कौन सा नया वाला गाना? क्या पूछना है?
Good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon, ma'am. My question is, in your whole career as a surgeon, what is the most interesting, what is the most peculiar case that you have seen?
Whole career नहीं, career till now.
Like I don't know, I didn't get a question. Like interesting case.
Which interesting case? So till now, or you have come across?
It's not about to do anything with arthroscopy. What I
Okay.
do, but it's about infection. So orthopedics में infections are disaster, total disaster. So miraculously there was one patient recently we did and it was very interesting. So he was advised amputation by 3 people. Nobody was willing to touch him. We took him, we explained him. Mostly he pair कटे, but we gave him a trial. And we had to operate him in emergency, like we were going to set the scene. उसको operate किया, fix किया, temporary infection control किया. He was in withdrawals also. So we used to ask alcohol. So alcohol and tobacco withdrawals. So tobacco we can give a patch, but we can't give alcohol as of now. So फिर हमने we just tried and wait किया. 3 surgeons gave it on paper कि cut कर ली because it's not going to survive. But we waited to give it a try and he came walking like almost after 2 months because primary surgery we fixed. pins extra fixed, and after 3-4 weeks after infection is controlled, he did a plating, and he's good, he's happy. So that was, I'll say, like, see, these are medical college patients, but in short, like, they're poor patients. उनके लिए पैर बचाना is very nice. So for me, that was one of the best things. That please help. Amputations are
That's amazing.
But ma'am, what was the one of the most inspiring incident that you have ever experienced in the medical school?
School.
Med school or till the date of career?
Interesting.
Yeah.
The most interesting incident happened with me in internship. Okay, and during gynae, there were two of them actually. In gynae term, I was posted to the labor room, and I was not very good, or I was not very interested in gynecology, but it was that one night which we spent in the labor room was so horrifying that it made me realize that I need to know my subject very well, and I should be able to come up to the mark and provide whatever care is required that time. So there was me as an intern trying to deliver a case with the help of the nurse, and the duty DMO, I was in the army that time, he was merrily sleeping. He said, "Tum dekh lena, uthaya to ek lagaunga." So we had to do it on our own, and there were simultaneously 4 deliveries going on. 2 tables, one in the side room, the third nurse was there, and there was a 4th lady who just walked in and she dropped her baby there. So it was like shocking. We were either delivering or cutting the cord, and one was running to save the child from having a head injury. Then we suddenly realized that you have to rise above everything, and you have to work as a doctor at that time. Forget all your reservations, and you must know your subject. You have to be very good in it, and you should know how to handle emergencies anytime, anywhere. Second most heart-rending thing that I faced in my life was when I was posted to Leh, 153 mh GH Leh. I was the casualty officer there, and we have to do a medical checkup for all the people who go for a para drop. So the team of about 3 aeroplanes, 3 units were there, 21 soldiers each, and we carried out the medical checkup, and they all flew down to Chandigarh. To land in Leh or to do a para drop in Leh, the flight has to take off from Chandigarh to get that altitude or whatever. So we were all waiting for that event to happen. I was in the casualty department of the hospital. We are always on stand 2 for emergency. That's a high altitude hospital. And the thing that we saw was horrifying. The first plane, the people para dropped, okay? As they were para dropping, you could see the 3 planes in line, 1, 2, 3. They measured their distances, whatever, how, and they drop in such a way that no one drops near each other. And that day the air pressure was low. So when they were dropping on the engine of the second craft. 21 bodies were chopped in the air, and there was an alert sign, and we were all ready for disaster. The same 21 soldiers whom I had just done a medical checkup on one day before, they came to me in a bundle, limbs, head, neck, whatever parts I couldn't recognize, just tied in a parachute and brought to us. I couldn't believe it. I was young, 25. I just couldn't take it. I didn't know what is happening. And then they told me, "Ma'am, you need to identify the 25 bodies and tell us whether they are 25 soldiers or 21 soldiers or not, because we have to inform their next of kin." Their bodies had to be put in 21 caskets, and I had to identify one part of each. I had to go like, "Oh, this was that Sardarji I saw last time. This was that guy." And we had to go around with a sheet, identifying them, putting them, and sending. So that taught me that I have to, there can be anything. I have to be ready to face everything, okay? Right from delivering a child, dropping at the door, to receiving patients here. So I think those two incidents really shook me up in my life and made me that whatever I do, I must do well and I must know my subject very well. So I should not be at any time that I don't stand up to what I do. That's all. So I think
Another sentence after that.
in a paradrop unit, whenever such an incident happens, the very next day they have a paradrop to raise the morale of the people. Otherwise, that unit just gets such a shock that they will never paradrop again. They were all paratroopers of the army. So the very next day they had another paradrop of 3 planes. Again, it was like we were all trembling. We were waiting कि दोबारा से कुछ हो जाएगा. But nothing happened. It went off well. They paradrop, they came and they left. So that's to tell you what happens in the army also.
So that's what, like, not getting into the shit.
You
Keep
cannot be
it,
failed.
open up.
You have to carry on and do your job. You cannot get failed just because you're a doctor or you are a person.
Next question.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Good afternoon, sir. My question for you is, did you always know you wanted to specialize in orthopedics, or was there a turning point in your life that led to this? And this comes from someone whose father is also an orthopedic surgeon.
Very nice. So to be very frank, I thought like in MBBS, orthopedics का सबसे छोटा syllabus है. सर नहीं. I thought medicine is vast, radio is vast, skin is vast, ये vast, वो vast. I thought orthopedics 20 mark का है, छोटा होगा. It's very fast. It's very vast. बहुत बड़ा है because orthopedics में you got everything. And बहुत ज़्यादा है. Fortunately, we've given up that thorax part. We don't do that. And this part we've given it to the ENT guys. But still बचे हुए बहुत. But interesting. And so I had a couple of options like general surgery and orthopedics. But general surgery, even our time, it was like और 3 साल पढ़ना पड़ेगा. So I was not okay with that. Like you want to 3 साल.
Usually you have to do general surgery then
Yes.
you walk.
Very first one. That was very not like that time orthopedics was not different. I think that was in 76, 80s के time. But हम लोग time it was different branch, and it was an end branch, so, and it was more interesting. I personal everybody had different options, like opinions, but I found it very interesting. And I myself had so many injuries. इतनी injuries हो चुकी है ना मुझे. I thought कि ये अच्छा है. खुद को तो बचा सकते हैं.
गाइस एक चीज मैं आप लोगों को बोल दूं कि सर डीवाई पाटिल से ही उन्होंने अपना पीजी किया है
सब
और यूजी भी. तो आप अपने टाइमलेस स्टोरीज, जैसे आप लोगों की टाइमलेस स्टोरीज है, आप लोग अभी टाइमलेस जा रहे हो, तो आप उससे रिलेटेड भी कोई क्वेश्चन पूछ सकते हो कि सर कहाँ पे उस समय हैंग आउट करते थे. वैसे अब तो मैं ही पूछ लूँ, तो सर आप कहाँ पे ज़्यादा हैंग आउट करते थे? आजकल जैसे अभी हम लोग टाइमलेस बैठ जाते हैं, वहाँ पे एक मल्हार करके बॉयज हॉस्टल के पास शुरू हो गया. आपके समय पे ये कॉलेज कैसा था, ये ऑडिटोरियम कैसे थे, और सब आई मीन क्या डिफरेंस था तब और आज में?
It was a baby that time. It was very small, and I'm talking about 21 years back. So 2003 I was here, and that time our dean D.L. Ingole sir, he had this, and I'm so happy. I recently consulted him and his wife. So I'm so happy that when I was just a 12th pass, he gave me a donation, and now I'm taking him and his wife. So it's very nice. But that's separate. So उस समय ना Diva Patil, we had only this building, and our hospital was in YC. So our senior batches, so I belong from the first co-ed batch. So हम लोग की senior batches all were girls. Imagine, all girls. No boys, no competition. But unfortunately, my elder sister was also here. So मुझे थोड़ा abandon था. But it was nice, and they used to stay in the hostels. YCM के ऊपर there was a hostel. So all girls were supposed to stay there. And हम लोग we used to stay in the engineering college वाला hostel. So we started with 100, and after 3 months 50 were added. So then we had 150, and that time अभी college का जो gate है, main wall है, उसके बाहर it was completely deserted. Only 2 tapris. Only 2 tapris. Only 2. And that tapri still is there. I am also there. वो टपरी वाला मुझे बताया कहता तू भी 21 साल से इधर ही. मैं हाँ भाई, मैं कहा मैं प्रोफेसर हो गया, थोड़ी इज्जत दे दूँगा. कहता आया तो 12वीं पास था. मैंने ठीक है. But and only 2 vehicles. Imagine deserted. 5:30-6 के बाद खत्म. यहाँ से अजमेरा जाना We had once gone there. My sister, they had party there in the veg restaurant. इतने दूर जाना पड़ा veg के लिए. And ऊपर से while coming back, I had to come walking. And मुझे ऐसे था मैं कब घर पहुँचा. So it was so deserted. So there was frankly nothing. हम लोग hang out के लिए वो एक टपरी थी. बस. But college में जगह बहुत थी. And this used to be our band area. हम लोग पीछे आवे हमारे musical instruments रखते थे. That time we used to store here. तो तभी कुछ था नहीं इसलिए हम ये सारी चीजें.
और आज हम आपके डिपार्टमेंट में म्यूजिकल इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स रख रहे हैं सर.
तो क्या करें कुछ था ही नहीं ऑप्शन. तो पुणे जाना मतलब शहर जाना इंस्पेक्टर इतना दूर कौन जाए. आज के मिनट बाइक निकाले पहुंच गए. उस समय मैक्सिमम वाज यहाँ पे एक विशाल थिएटर था. 25 रुपए टिकट. 25 रुपए युवा देखिए.
सर आप म्यूजिकल इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स यहाँ रखते थे. आज हमको आपने जगह दी है अपने डिपार्टमेंट में म्यूजिकल इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स रखने के लिए.
अच्छा लगता है. But this is grown and I'll tell you what. So getting back to college wala, we used to go to YCM for our clinics. And today I'm so proud we are 2200 bedded hospital. It is a hats off thing. It's a commendable thing. That's why I said it was a baby and now we are grown. We probably are one of those who have one of the finest cardiac center. We have done 2 successful heart and lung transplants. That's a big thing. So जो हम उन पे डिपेंडेंट थे आज बहुत लोग हम पे डिपेंडेंट. Organ transplant, super. We're doing great. And the best part is we are doing at rate which anybody can afford for the poor. We have the best in corporate also and the general sector also. But we have grown. Like many of my batchmates, they say कि like क्यों वहाँ पे क्यों है अब तक? But it's not about क्यों. It's about क्यों नहीं. I take it like that. क्यों नहीं? Because that's what I said. It was a baby and now it's grown. Probably once you graduate after like 4 or 5 years, उसके बाद जब तुम आओगे maybe will be much more ahead. But they have grown and we have grown as and you when you are in a very good position. आप लोग जिस lecture halls में हो, yes, जिस lecture halls में हो, जिस libraries में हो. I will not say कि तुम lucky हो. हमारे time नहीं था. हमारे time अलग चीज थी. हमारे time वो भी अच्छा ही था. और तुम्हारे time जो है maybe 5 साल बाद कुछ और होगा. Generations की But you are in a blessed situation. Trust me. Yes. Infrastructures, campus. हमारे टाइम campus क्या था? केवल ये Y-shaped building. That's it. This was the campus. पीछे कुछ नहीं था. Gradually things started coming. Now we have got an in-house gym, basketball court है, lawn tennis है. Yes, archery. So many. And we used to go to Delhi. But nice and make use of it.
So time for the next game. Yeah. Sir, mic. Okay. आपको हाँ या ना में जवाब देना है. It's never have I ever game. Okay. So the first question. Never have I ever bunked school to watch the cricket match.
Never, I've never done.
दोनों के तो आप बोल दो कि हाँ किया.
हाँ किया है.
कब किया है?
यहीं पे किया था like जब IPL स्टार्ट हुए थे. तो बॉम्बे में नहीं मिलता था. And घर वाले जाने नहीं देते थे. यहाँ पे क्या खुला छूट था. वो चले गए पर IPL था. क्या
Guys करना नहीं.
नहीं करो सब पकड़े मत जाओ. जो पकड़ा जाए वो छोड़ याद रखो.
If you get caught doing
Yes.
trick, you are.
सब चीटिंग करते हैं. जो पकड़ा जाता है वो चीटर. और जो ना पकड़ा गया वो अच्छा.
Okay, next. Never have I ever gotten into trouble for playing pranks. किसी का मजाक उड़ाते वक्त आपको किसी ने आप उसके वजह से ट्रबल में ना आए कि मजाक में कुछ और ही हो गया. मैम आप भी बता सकते.
कब की बात कर रहे हैं? कॉलेज की बात की उसके बाद की बात.
आप जब भी बोलो.
In my house, I am the one who's pulling pranks on my whole family. Everyone is sick of me.
So is it, I mean, ऐसे कभी होता है कि आप उसकी वजह से किसी चीज के ट्रबल में आ गए?
Trouble तो कैसे मैं ही मदर हूँ. But yeah, they get angry, they get upset.
Sir?
I'm a good boy. मैं अब तक thanks to नहीं. मुझे याद नहीं.
पकड़े ना जाओ तो बस. Never have I ever fake being sick to avoid school. ये तो सब.
Yes.
Of
Yes.
course,
And
definitely.
I'll tell you my very interesting topic. One of my colleagues, he was my PG junior. He was from Delhi. And बचपन में उसने बोला कि मेरा पेट दर्द कर रहा है. दिल्ली से था वो, उसके घर वाले डॉक्टर के पास गए, उसने नाटक किया था, उन्होंने अपेंडिक्स निकाल दिया. तो इसलिए मैं उसके बाद से मैं बोलता हूँ भाई हेल्थ का बिल्कुल बोलने का नहीं, बिल्कुल नहीं बोलने का, सीधा अपेंडिक्स बाहर. ठीक, अब वो बोल भी नहीं सकता ना मैं नाटक कर रहा था बाबा, निकाल दिया उसने, निकाल दिया.
सर ये क्वेश्चन शायद इनके लिए भी कुछ दिनों में आएगा और सबके लिए एक एक सब्जेक्ट होता ही है. Never have I ever pulled an all-nighter just before an exam. और अगर हाँ तो किस एग्जाम के लिए? All-nighter.
One exam only, anatomy. Because I couldn't remember the bones and I was just, and eventually I have been sitting with them the whole night.
Sir?
All, because I am a night person. मैं रात भर जाग सकता हूँ, मॉर्निंग में मुझे अगर मैं उठ गया तो मैं शायद से एग्जाम देना चाहूँ. इसलिए for me all exams are online. And
For me, sleep is very precious. सोना बहुत जरूरी है. बहुत I have to sleep before an exam. तो सिर्फ एक ही exam.
Okay. Never have I ever performed or sang a Bollywood song during a college gathering.
We tried, हमको तो अंडे मारे थे लोगों ने.
Sir?
नहीं डांस में थे, डांस बहुत किया. AFMC we have played बांग्ला competition and अब तो मेरी दाढ़ी है उसका नहीं थी तो and I was मेरा थोड़ा आगे लीड था क्योंकि मैं कंपेटिटिव छोटा था बाकी सारे दाढ़ी वाले यूज थे. So then the guest the jury they said कि like पहला सरदार देगा बगैर दाढ़ी. And secondly we had gone to BJMC for interpretation. So that was a traditional dance. We were not knowing. We took our salsa team there. And हमने salsa किया. And उन्होंने बहुत and you know BJ का crowd कैसा है? So they'll take paper, they'll chew,
And
then they'll throw. Because paper balls don't fly that far.
where
They'll chew it. ऐसे
आप
चिपचिपा
सिखा
के
रहे
मार.
सर इनको ये सब चीजें कि कैसे मारना चाहिए.
पकड़े मत जाओ. सब करेंगे.
Okay, so हमारे खास सूत्रों से हमें पता चला था कि अश्विन देशमुख सर SRK के बहुत बड़े फैन हैं. So अभी हम कुछ डायलॉग्स चलाएंगे. नहीं चलाएंगे, आपको गेस करना है मूवी. और अगर आप 3 से ज्यादा करने से अगर आप नहीं आइडेंटिफाई कर सकते हो तो जो SRK का आइकॉनिक मूव आपको करके दिखाना है. So
रैगिंग करने के लिए बुलाया.
और सर आपको अकेले नहीं करना, आपको अकेले नहीं करना, आपके साथ हम सब जो आगे हैं और पीछे सब करेंगे. ओके, सो फर्स्ट
अगर किसी चीज को दिल से चाहो तो पूरी कायनात उसे तुमसे मिलाने की कोशिश में लग जाती है.
सर मूवी
आप सबने मुझे मेरी चाहत से मिला दिया. Thanks very much. I feel like the king of the world.
Guys, any guesses? Om Shanti.
यार मुझे आदमी अच्छा लगता है. तो रोल कैसा है? कितने डायलॉग हैं उसके? मूवी कितनी है? 60 साल का है. कितनी मूवीज की?
दीवानी से एक लड़के पे वो मरती थी. नजरें झुका के शर्मा के गलियों से गुजरती थी.
करेक्ट आंसर मोहब्बतें.
सॉरी मैंने गुस्से में कुछ ज्यादा ही बोल दिया.
कोई बात नहीं सेनोरिटा, कोई बात नहीं. बड़े बड़े देशों में ऐसी छोटी छोटी बातें होती है.
मासी घर में कहाँ था? हम शाहरुख खान था पर वो उसको फेंकता है नीचे. वो नहीं थी. सेनोरिटा थी ना.
DDL.
तुम शरीफ क्या हुआ? पूरी दुनिया ही बदमाश बन गई।
दिलवाले, दिलवाले, दिलवाले। So I request everyone to please stand up on their faces. हमें शाहरुख खान की वो एक आइकॉनिक स्टेप सर के साथ करनी है. Please, please, please खड़े हो जाओ. Okay, get up guys, get up. I request Gulshan sir to please come forward.
I changed my favorite hero.
फोटो काढून यांचा झालं वाटतं तोपर्यंत
वैसे तो सर को आलिया भट्ट भी पसंद है, बट हम शाहरुख खान.
आलिया का पूछ लो यार.
गाइस किसी को कुछ आलिया भट्ट के मूवी से रिलेटेड या गाने से रिलेटेड कोई सवाल पूछना है तो प्लीज पूछ सकते हो.
नहीं सवाल वाला नहीं, अब वी कैन टॉक. सवाल था
Yes, sir, the most favorite movie for you, आलिया भट्ट की. और
I love all her movies. And I had first daughter. तो मुझे उसका नाम ना जो हाँ मैं रखना था, पर मेरी वाइफ की जो HR थी ना, she had a fight with her. तो उसने बोला वो नाम नहीं रखना. मैंने ठीक है. तो सेकंड डॉटर मैंने बोला अब अनन्या रखूंगा मैं. तो मेरी माता जी कहती है कि वो ग्रह नहीं आ रहे हो. I wanted to name my daughters on her name, but my wife and my mother.
okay, so next question. Yeah.
Good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon, ma'am. So my question to sir is that what is your go-to motivational song or movie whenever you're feeling low?
You said movie?
Movie or song?
Movie or song?
I'm not too much into like ऐसा, but yes, I enjoy all the music. And these days, like I don't know, Rishabh Sharma, he's a sitarist. If you heard him or not, superb. So I pick up these motivational things, and also some pep talks like the Harsha Bhogle I told you. So I got these videos here. Arnold के हैं, Sylvester Stallone के हैं. It's not how hard you hit, it's how you come back. So ये motivational है, Kobe Bryant के हैं. So like these things keep you pumped. And if you think you're low, जो तुम्हारे high वाली जो चीज़ है ना, so like when I was थोड़ा मैं पतला था तब भी मेरा फोटो वो देखो, तो ऐसा लगता है कि that is motivation. Yeah, I can go back. That is.
Sir, any song?
Sorry.
Song?
Song नहीं. I'm more into listening to podcast या maybe ये सब audio.
Okay.
Songs तो मेरे जो songs है बहुत इंटरेस्ट है.
कोई favorite song?
आजकल तो Lost and Found जो इश्क जो है.
कोई retro Bollywood song?
तो रहना तेरे दिल RS forever.
Ma'am, same question for you. Yeah.
BTS का जिन का नया वाला क्या इसका नाम नया वाला गाना? नहीं आया तुम लोग outdated हो. Something. It's an album called Happy. So nice songs in it. I like that.
Yeah.
Good afternoon, sir. So, according to you, who's the GOAT in cricket, and which team do you support in IPL?
Mumbai Indians and Sachin. Straight. Virat Kohli, yes, but Virat has never faced those bowlers. Like Ambrose से लेके, Vaughan से लेके, Allen Donald, they have Shane Warne. But both are great. But GOAT तो एक ही है. Sachin is Sachin.
Okay, so
SRT.
what is the first thing that comes to your mind when I name this cricketer? Sachin Tendulkar. MS Dhoni. विराट कोहली,
Class.
ऋषभ पंत, राहुल द्रविड़, क्रिस गेल, शेन वॉटसन. Thank you. Next question, guys. Okay, there.
Good morning, sir. Good morning, ma'am. Sir, if you have been given a chance, would you take out a break and play a friendly match with the students here?
With?
A friendly cricket match with the students here.
Yeah, of course, yes. Of course. We are
So
up to
please
it.
plan soon.
Sir, they don't know about the synapse, so
So we have this inter-collegiate, intra-collegiate, and we have like year-wise. So, and every year we have it.
It will be happening.
Yes.
Sir, but there is no cricket ground in the campus.
Yeah, so see that is, it takes a big place. It's almost like 4 acres of a land. So as of now, see हमारे टाइम तो बास्केटबॉल भी थी. आगे धीरे-धीरे कैप्चर कर रहे हैं हम पूरा इमेजिन.
फिर तो PGB यहीं से करनी पड़ेगी.
तो तुम हमारी टीम में आ जाओगे तब तुम जीतोगे.
हाँ, आप भी फिर तब तक रहना.
और गाइस अगर ग्राउंड नहीं है तब भी हम लोग बाहर जाके खेलते हैं, बट खेलते हैं. सो जब साइनैप्स आएगा, साइनैप्स एक एनुअल इवेंट होता है और उसमें 10 दिन के लिए सारे कल्चरल, को-करिकुलर और स्पोर्ट्स के एक्टिविटीज होते हैं. इट्स गोना बी फन. सो रिलैक्स, मार्च तक आपको आपका साइनैप्स मिल जाएगा. सो आपको पता चल जाएगा कि कितने को-करिकुलर इवेंट्स होते हैं कॉलेज में.
साइनैप्स एंड वन मोर ना जो
ऊर्जा.
Urja, we used to have leather ball, but now we don't have leather ball. That's only tennis. And synapse hota hai, it is leather ball. It's nice. Red ball okay.
Okay, so any last question जो किसी को पूछना है? Okay.
Good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon, ma'am. My question to you is that how do you balance your teaching responsibility with clinical practice?
Right now I'm not doing any clinical practice, but before I was doing. After going back from college, I used to go and attend an OPD from 7 to 9. So it's up to you. If you want to do it, you do it. And the question of balance, it's all in your mind. If I wanted to do it, so I made sure it happened. And I finished all my responsibilities at home before, and then I picked up the practice. So it's like that. You have to decide how you want to do it. Okay? It's like that for me. Now I don't do practice. Now I'm only into teaching. So I must be doing clinical practice.
9 to 5, and then after that 6 to 9. It becomes hectic. तो बहुत कम टाइम दे पाता हूँ बच्चों को, but I don't know. Sometimes that is also okay. But you have to practice balance that 9 to 5 अपना यहाँ करो and then शाम को then you, and it's not compulsory because ideally if you are a medical college faculty then जरूरी नहीं आपको करना है. जो private practitioners है because हमें यहाँ पर ही बहुत काम है, so we already have it. But private practice में क्या हो जाता है कि आप maybe you can have your own छोटा एक satellite and from there you can brand yourself. But medical college में अगर आपने full time काम कर लिया that is more than something. It's a tough task.
Okay. Thank you so much, ma'am and sir. आप दोनों इस इवेंट को लेके, हमारे कॉलेज कट्टा को लेके और सब स्टूडेंट्स को लेके आप क्या कंक्लूड करना चाहते हो, आप क्या उनको बोलना चाहते हो, क्या मैसेज देके जाना चाहते हो?
I would like to say this is a very nice interaction and it's a very good way to informally allow the students to come up with their questions and doubts and interact with the staff, okay? And simultaneously it's a time for us also to tell you, okay, how to go about your time in this college or any time ahead also. And I think because of this relaxed atmosphere, you should be also able to ask us things, we should be able to tell you. And I think it's very good. It's a good event and it should be continued regularly so that the students do get some time to express themselves. And of course we always have some expert, like sir is there, who will tell you more about his life and further your future as a doctor or as a doctor in medicine. I think it's a very good event and we should continue it. And of course with the seniors being there, so they are getting, you know, from them to you to here. So like they're getting a very good view of their future life, kind of a small scene. That's what I feel.
So,
That's what I'm saying. It's a very good initiative and make use of it. आपके पास इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर है उसका यूज हो जाएगा. बट ये जो है ना कि टू बी फ्रैंक एंड ओपन अप होके फैकल्टीज, बहुत फैकल्टीज किसी से भी तुम्हारे जो मेंटर्स होंगे ना, यू हैव टू कनेक्ट टू योर मेंटर. यू हैव टू कनेक्ट बिकॉज सी यू आर हियर. आप घर से बहुत दूर, कुछ भी है ना, घर वाले तो दे हेल्प यू, बट अगर आपको थोड़ा कुछ डाउट है, आपने उनको बोला कोई दिक्कत है, बोला दे बी मोर स्ट्रेस्ड, राइट? तो इसलिए आप अपने मेंटर मेंटी जो भी मेंटर जो है उनसे बात करो एंड सी everything is correctable. But if you talk, everything is okay. But आपको बात करना नहीं, हमको ओपन and this shell cocoon में नहीं जाना. And this is good initiative. This is what we want. This is ice breaking. How many of you understand ice breaking? So बस हो गया. आगे बढ़ना है. Ma'am taught me ice breaking recently. Yes, CBM में. I'm making use of it. So, just initiative है, आपको उसको आगे लेके जाना है because next, after maybe next year you will be here, right? So you have to leave an example for the juniors. So आप तभी बोल पाओगे जब आप सीखा है आपने, है ना? तो keep opening up and पढ़ना भी है, of course. Primarily हम यहाँ पे पढ़ने के लिए. Side by side, yes.
I would like to thank Pallavi Bajpayee ma'am for her time.
Before you thank me, on a lighter note, जो सर ने कहा ना कि मैं नाम नहीं रख पाया आलिया भट्ट के ऊपर, वो मैंने किया. हमारे ज़माने में मेरा फेवरेट हुआ करता था राजेश खन्ना. तो राजेश खन्ना की एक पिक्चर थी आराधना, सब देखना उसको. मैंने अपनी दूसरी बेटी का नाम आराधना रख दिया.
Thank you so much ma'am for your time. We would like to show our gratitude by felicitating you. Now I would like to request Annie Francis ma'am, registrar, to felicitate our Dr. Pallavi Bajpayee ma'am. I would like to request our General Secretary Gulshan Sharma for the vote of thanks.
Just before he starts, he is a fantastic dancer. He's a super dancer. So I follow him. Ghosting. I think lockdown में you Sayukta.
Yes.
So Sayukta is our pass out. She was dancing. Why she is with you?
Yes.
She is doing GSC. She is doing a pediatrics. So they had a fantastic team, and they used to like dance like crazy. So passion. Keep moving.
I would like to present the vote of thanks. I would like to extend my gratitude to Honorable P.D. Patil Sir, Chancellor Dr. D.Y. Patil Vidyapeeth Pune, Dr. Mrs. Bhagyashree Patil Ma'am, Pro Chancellor Dr. D.Y. Patil Vidyapeeth Pune, Dr. N.J. Pawar Sir, Vice Chancellor Dr. D.Y. Patil Vidyapeeth Pune, Dr. Yashraj Patil Sir, Trustee and Treasurer Dr. D.Y. Patil Vidyapeeth Pune, Dr. J.S. Bhavalkar Sir, Registrar Dr. D.Y. Patil Vidyapeeth Pune, Dr. Mrs. P. Vatsalaswamy Ma'am, Director Academics, Dr. A. Rekha Ma'am, Dean Dr. D.Y. Patil Medical College, and heartiest thanks to Dr. Ashwin Deshmukh Sir, Professor Department of Orthopedics, Dr. D.Y. Patil Medical College, for taking out time from his busy schedule. And special thanks to Dr. Pallavi Bajpayee Ma'am, Professor Department of Anatomy, for joining us today. Thanking Students Council 2023 and 2024 and the UG section for organizing the event. And at last, thankful to all the students for being here. You guys have been such a lovely and patient audience. Thank you so much.